everybody. Welcome to Homestead Activities / Big Mike's Farm. So today we're going to be talking about container gardening. If you don't have a yard or land area to plant your vegetables, you can always have, if you have a patio or if you have a deck, do container gardening, okay? Nothing's going to stop you from enjoying the fruits of nature. So here I started tomatoes from seeds, or you can buy the tomatoes already pre-seeded from vendors, okay? And what you want to do when you get your container is transplant them into a bigger container from day one. You don't have to keep transplanting and transplanting. What happens is the plants get stressed out and go into shock, just like people do. So the less stress and less shock a plant has, the better it's going to do. Also, what you want to do is, this year what I did is I mixed in earthworm castings. It's very, very good for the soil. And obviously you see this is now this, okay? You can do corn in containers and use it for ornamental purposes, like at doorways or sidewalks or whatever you want to do. Also, another recommendation is your tap water or your hose water. It contains stuff. You want to put a couple of barrels out, okay? Natural rainwater is more better for your plants than from a hose, okay? So once again, thank you all your subscribers and followers, and thank you for watching Homestead Activities, Big Mike's Farms. Please follow us for anything else you need, any tips, just send us a note. Thank you.